Hi guys, today I am gonna show you how you can put the SIM card on iPhone, any iPhones. So first things first, there is a special tool that this is the one that we will use. And as you see here, there is a hole. Just push that hole with the stick, and look, it's came out. The this this is the one that we're gonna put the SIM card on top of this whatever it was we took from the phone. So here the SIM card. As you see, SIM card you cannot put this way like there's a place that you have to be very careful. Right there, the corner is cut. As you see, these corners are sharp. As you see, three sharp place. See. This corner is sharp. This corner is this corner is cut. So same way, this SIM card also is gonna be exactly the same way. You put it in the place like a puzzle. As you see, look, card is also cut that place. So just put the inside of and like a puzzle. And be careful, don't shake it. And just bring the phone and find the place exactly right there. Straight. Oh, sorry. Okay, once again, just put right here. Okay, as you see here, this place. Hold it with your tongue and then push little by little right there. That's it. This is the SIM card. Yeah, this way so easy. I mean, it's like just once again you're pushing with this stick that push the I mean this hole you're gonna use it and pushing and so it's coming off. And put the SIM card inside, put it back in. That's it. All right, guys. Good luck. Bye bye.